Hey guys, it's Danny. So today I decided to film my first YouTube video in over a year. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look, what I used, my techniques I used to get it. And I'm so awkward, but enjoy the video. Okay, so before we get started, I'm just going to tie my hair back half up to get it out of my face. So if you guys want to know the story about why I have weird sideburns, I thought that it would be a good idea to shave them off, and no, it wasn't. So now I'm just waiting for them to grow back. Okay, so now that my hair's up and out of my face, we're gonna take some of these drops. It's called Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it just makes your face super smooth, and I'm almost out of it. I love putting this on before I do my makeup just because it makes my face super smooth and ready to go. I'm gonna take this Armani foundation and just do a couple drops on my hand. I just like to dot it all over my face. And I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and just blend that out. I think I'm gonna go in with another coat just cause. Now, when you're putting on your foundation, make sure not to rub it because that's gonna make you break out. So always make sure to just pat it on. Sorry, I didn't get this on camera because my phone died, but I went in with my NARS concealer in the shade Medium Ginger, and I just put a little bit under my eyes, and I have a little pimple right there that I put it over. And now I'm gonna highlight my face a little bit more. So I have this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's amazing. It's just like cream concealer, cream contour, cream blush. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the lightest shade right here with a brush and just go kind of in a triangle motion underneath my eyeballs. And this stuff is pretty full coverage, so you don't need to keep dipping and dipping. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my chin, highlight underneath my cheekbones, and then a little bit on my forehead. Now, and also down the bridge of my nose. Now, for contour time, I'm gonna take these two bottom shades. So it's a pretty deep brown, but once you blend it, it's gonna lighten up, especially mixed with the lighter color you'll see. So I'm just gonna go right on the bottom of my cheekbones and contour it. And I like to make the top part a little bit darker. So I'm going to go in with the darker color on top and then mix it in with the lighter color for the rest of it. For my forehead, I'm just going to mix the two colors again, and I kind of just like to go in a little bridge on my forehead. Yeah. And then one side and the other. Right over the tip. And I also like to contour my jawline. So just go over it with what's ever left on the brush, just because I don't want to make this too dramatic. Let's blend it out. And for my cheeks, I'm just gonna take this sculpting brush. Oh my gosh, I did not even realize that. That is so embarrassing. Okay, so that's it for the cream contour, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna go in with my favorite contour on this planet, Hoola Bronzer. And it just kind of sets everything in because it goes really well over cream contour. And I also like to go in with kind of an upward motion. Okay, so for nose contour, I kind of already mapped it out with the cream contour, but it's not really done just because everything's blended together. So I'm gonna go in with a Hoola bronzer. Basically what I do is just lightly go underneath my nose and then on the sides of my nose, starting just from the underneath of my eyebrow. And to blend out the harsh lines, I'm just gonna go over it with my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna go just right over the tip of my nose. And this is a trick that I learned. It just makes your nose look a little bit more slimmed down. Just going a little bit of bronzer on the sides. And I'm just gonna lighten everything up with my beauty blender again. Now we're gonna go in with the best blush on this planet. It's Chanel's blush in N23. And I just like to smile to get to the tops of my cheekbones. And I just blend it out with my fingers. A lot of people don't do this, but I just think it's the easiest way. I don't know. Alright, now that I'm all blushed and contoured out, we're gonna go in with some highlights. So this highlight is Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. Some people will mix it with their foundation to make it more luminous. I just use it as a highlighter. So it's very, very pigmented. So I'm just gonna only do 3 drops on each side. Cupid's bow, tip of the nose, and the bridge of my nose. If I can do it. Alright. There we go. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my inner corners and top of my eyebrows. Okay, so to lock all my highlight in place, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit mixed with this Fenty Beauty highlighter. So this highlighter, it's super, super gold. And I want a little bit more of a rose gold. So I'm going to mix that shade together with this bottom shade right here. For my inner corners, I'm only going to use this shade. I'm going to be right back, do my eyebrows off camera, and then we'll get into the eye makeup. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows off camera because I had to be up close and personal with the mirror, and I didn't want to be like that the whole time. So what I used was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip, an angled brush. And then I just highlighted underneath with some concealer. Okay, so let's jump into eye makeup. This palette right here. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It literally has so many different shades of pink, and pink is my favorite color to do my eyes. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I don't really have anything planned, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Teddy. And then just blend that all over my eye. It probably isn't a good idea to do my eye makeup right now because I literally just got my eyelashes done. And you're not supposed to put makeup on, get them wet for, I don't know, 48 hours, but whatever, right? Do it for the video. And I'm just going to blend that all over my eye and kind of drag it outwards a little bit. Now I'm going to take this brush and take the same color and just put it on the bottom. But not on the whole thing, just on half of the bottom part of my eye. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this color. It's called Crave. And use the same brush. It's just super pigmented, so it doesn't really matter that I just use different color on it. And I'm just gonna use that a little bit on the middle of my eye just to make it pop. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just realized I messed up. I used the wrong color. So I guess I went in with the color Charmed, but I actually meant to go in with the color Crave. So I'm just gonna go over what I just did. And again, it's super pigmented, so it'll go on just fine. Oh, okay. And I actually really like how those two colors mix together, so, you know, it worked out for the best. I'm also going to take this color and highlight right underneath my waterline. And I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and wipe away all the fallout. When I'm out of bottom eyeliner, I just like to take a black eyeshadow and just go over it. It kind of gets stuck in your eye and it's really annoying, but it gets the job done. So I'm gonna go do that very fast. So I have my Tartelette makeup palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this color Smoke Show and use it on my waterline. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for my lips, I'm just gonna go in with this lipstick. It doesn't have like a name on it or anything, but I just got it at Sephora. Like, you know when you get a ton of things and you have points, so they just give you lipsticks. So this is it, and it's just kind of like a nude pink. I'm gonna put that all over my lips. And I'm just gonna clean up underneath my lip so that it's not super overlined. That's like one of my biggest pet peeves, when people overline their lips to the point where it's like, come on man. Alright, just to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray from a distance. And that's it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you'd like to see more makeup tutorials, what kind of makeup tutorials you'd like to see, and other types of videos I should make. Thank you so much for watching.